Getting the Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe error on Windows 11? Can't open your app even though you trust it? Don't worry. This video will show you simple ways to fix it and run your app safely. First, right-click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. Next, click Open Windows Security. Go to App and Browser Control, and then select Smart App Control Settings. Turn off Smart App Control temporarily. Click Yes, I'm sure, and confirm again by clicking Yes. Now, install the app without any hassle. Once the installation is complete, turn Smart App Control back on. If you notice that the On option is grayed out, follow the next method. Search for Registry Editor, then click Run as Administrator and select Yes. In the menu, click View, then choose Address Bar. Copy the path provided in the video description, paste it into the address bar, and press Enter. Locate and double-click on Verified and Reputable Policy State, then change its value from 0 to 1. Now go back to Smart App Control Settings, and you should see that it is turned on. That's it. Your issue should now be resolved, and you can install apps without problems. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.